Hello all, welcome back. So I did banana peel outside, and we're gonna try the inside. It's pretty squishy. I mean, it's solid. It would break, but I don't know how this is gonna work. I'm gonna go 400 at 25 power. So we'll see what happens. Alright everybody, thanks for coming by, and away we go. Alright, so you can see it is burning. It actually burns fairly well, but I'm going to turn up the power to about 40, and we'll see if we can get a little darker. I'm actually going to turn the speed down too, so we'll go 350 at 40. Okay, so my battery's about to die, but it actually works really well. Good depth. I'm really surprised. I know this camera doesn't get close-ups, but Sunrise Adventures. There we go. A banana wool laser. Hey, thanks for coming out, guys, and stay tuned for more. I'm going to do an Oreo next. I got to change my battery, but yeah. All right, have a good one.